बहुत गंदी कटी है गाइस। हम लोग अंदर दौड़ के आए हैं एंड नो एसीज। We came first in the race though, but no ACs. And this lady, she pushed me. This lady, you see. No ACs units at all. People are so disappointed. It's funny. Look at them. Ah, somebody pushed me like crazy. So much of competition. The store has opened just 2 minutes ago. The good thing is the bakery. But before we are anyway getting some bakery flowers because you can't leave empty-handed, isn't it? So no AC, but pizza.
Pizza.